Alright guys, got a real beauty in the shop today. A 97 Camry came in, been setting. It's a crank, no start, it would just turn over. So when it came in, notice that's pretty interesting. But it had the fuel injector, that 15 right there was blown. And that's the EFI, electronic fuel. So customer put the new battery in it. So going through, I replaced that fuse. And then check this out. So replace that fuse. And it starts up, no dash lights. Windows don't work. Sunroof is open, can't close it. So I went to go pull this fuse out. This is for the alternator. Negotiator. Easy peasy. This case, as you can see, this is literally, you know, average person can do this in an hour at their house. I mean, you don't have to lift the car. It's real simple. And I think this alternator is fitting for the car it's going on, because they're just trying to get it moving, because right now it's been an ornament in the lawn. Put this on, it's raining now. I'm glad I'm not doing this in my driveway. Really not a bad job. As long as you don't mind getting a little bit greasy. Alright, I got this stuff, I don't know. Like, I got like a box over there at the garage sale for $1 once. And I've had it forever, so let's see if it does anything. Energized electrical. I already sprayed some battery corrosion cleaner on there. Been working on a lot of these old Toyotas lately. You know what? I don't mind it. Got that stinking relay again. All right, 14, baby. And look at that. I got gauges. Let's see if the windows work. Oh man, even the windows work. See if we can close the sunroof. We don't want this interior getting damaged. Oh, no, we're out of luck on that. Let's maybe. Gonna have to keep digging on that, but we're close.